How to crop photos in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply crop an image. First of all, open the application. Now here on the middle, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on plus. Now you can select the image that you want to crop. Here I'm selecting one. And now we are in this editing platform. Here simply tap on the image and you'll be able to see different options available. So here on the top, you can see cutout. Simply tap on cutout. And on the top you'll be able to see this crop button. Tap on this crop button. Now you can adjust these points wherever you want to keep them and the photo will be cropped automatically. So select the edges here and at last tap on this turn button. So as you can see, the photo is getting loaded and it will be cropped completely. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.